Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Kingaroy in Queensland.
Kingaroy is the largest town in the South Burnett region of Queensland and is located 212 kilometres northwest of Brisbane. The town is surrounded by farmland and rolling hills and is known as the peanut capital of Australia. It is called the peanut capital of Australia because Australia's largest peanut processing plant and the peanut silos are located in the middle of town.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
In today's video, we go to the Big Peanut and the Peanut Van. We wander around town and see some great street art. We visit Pottique Lavender Farm and explore the museum and heritage buildings. Then we see the great views over Kingaroy from the two lookouts.
No visit to Kingaroy is complete without a visit to the Big Peanut and the Peanut Van. Located in the Lions Park, this 3.4 metre high half-ton peanut was crafted by metal sculptor Kane Minogue out of pieces of old farming equipment donated by local farming families. The Peanut Van has been selling the best quality flavoured peanuts since 1969 and is open daily from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. It has a huge selection of savoury and sweet flavoured peanuts, peanut butter and souvenirs.
Kingaroy is the largest town in South Burnett and is the region's commercial centre, with a great selection of cafes, restaurants, shopping facilities and services. There is also amazing street art on several building walls created by Joel Fergie, known as the Zookeeper.
Seven kilometres out of Kingaroy is the Pottique Lavender Farm. They are open Saturday and Sundays from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The Pottique Lavender Farm has the largest lavender shop in Australia, and there are two buildings full of lavender products, as well as jams, chutneys, homeware products and much more. They also have lavender liqueurs and lavender wine. There is also a cafe on site, and we enjoyed the lavender cheese served with crispy toast and the famous lavender scones with jam and cream. Pottique Lavender Farm is a lovely relaxing place with beautiful cottage gardens.
Near the peanut silos is the Kingaroy Information, Art and Heritage Precinct. You can get information, souvenirs and lots of local products from the Visitor Centre. You can also browse through the Kingaroy Heritage Museum. This fascinating museum showcases the history of peanut farming in the region with displays of vintage farming equipment and interactive exhibits. It's a perfect introduction to the town's rich history.
There are quite a few heritage listed buildings in this area. The Kingaroy Museum is housed in the old Kingaroy Powerhouse, which was built in 1925. The art gallery is now in the lovely Art Deco style building that was the old Kingaroy Shire Council offices that were built in 1938. The original Shire Council building is behind the Visitor Centre and was built in 1913. The huge peanut silos are also heritage listed. They are 42 metres high and were built in 1938, 1948 and 1951. The Curralee Hotel was first built on this site in 1904. The original building was destroyed by fire and rebuilt in 1913. In 1904 the railway reached the town and the Kingaroy rail station was built. Now it is part of the Kilkivan to Kingaroy Rail Trail.
At Apex Park there is a lovely playground, grassy areas and picnic shelters. Then you take a short walk uphill through the bush to the lookout, which has great views over the town and surrounding areas. Four kilometres west of Kingaroy is the Mount Wirralin Lookout. The narrow steep road to the lookout is not suitable for cars towing caravans or trailers. A short walk up to the lookout rewards you with stunning views over Kingaroy and the surrounding countryside.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.